Ayy, yeah, look, ayy. See I'm leeching for the energy. I ain't worried, give a fuck about the enemy. Beat his ass, got him thinking it was 10 of me. That's why tonight I'm on the weed, not the Hennessy. Niggas lying, but I tell you how it really be. Dropping game, I could sprinkle for infinity. I'm the player of the year if I do say, cause I treat a Saturday like a Tuesday.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you this easy unit from Ali Grace. I love Ali Grace for closures. I feel like I have only gotten majority of my closures from Ali Grace. They are great quality and I find that they last a very long time. I'm going to be unboxing what I got in my package. They gave me an info card. This is great, especially if you're new to wigs, because it kind of shows you what to expect, how to take care of your unit. And then they also gave me a wig cap, and this one is great because it literally matches my skin tone. And this is the unit, you guys. I was going for a bit of a lob style. I've been feeling the bobs. It's summer right now, but I wanted something a bit longer, something not too long but not too short, and I felt like this was a great option to show people that are interested in that. So this is how she looks. She is 14 inches and is a closure, so that means she has a 4x4 lace in the front of the unit, and that's how the wig comes constructed. And it also comes with a pre-parted line, and I love the fact that it's so long because that makes it look even more natural. And then I'm just going to tint my actual lace just so that it matches my skin. I'm literally just taking my foundation and that's what I'm gonna put on there. That's it. And then I'm going to take a scissor and just cut off that excess lace because I do just want it to be not laid. I'm not going to lay it. I'm just going to put it on my head, and then I adjusted the straps at the back, and this is how it looks just on my head. Nothing done to it. I'm going to take some more of that foundation and just make sure that the part of the lace that you can see is covered up by that color so that it does match me perfectly. And then I'm just gonna brush the hair and really just style it. I'm just going to be wearing it straight. I find that I wanted this look especially to look very blunt and straight and, you know, just very nice. I do just wanna talk a little bit about the unit. I did not experience any shedding. I feel like the only shedding that I experienced was on the initial install, like when I cut the lace and stuff like that. But other than that, I feel like this is a really good option for a summer day. I think also, especially if you are going to wear this and you're going to be wearing it from the afternoon all the way into the nighttime, I think this is a great option. I think that the length is good, especially for people that are not into the short bobs. One thing about me, I love a really short micro bob. But if you're not like that and you want something with a little bit of length, something maybe that you can even take into winter, so something that will last you the whole year, I think that this is a good option. 14 inches, 16 inches are good for a nice lob blunt cut style. I love that look. I think it's so chic, and I think that this hit me perfectly on my chest area. I think it just looked so beautiful, and it straightened like a dream. As you can see, I do not have to do too much to get this hair straight, and I love that. That means that I don't even have to be straightening it every single time I wear it. It's just gonna last. So yeah, I really do think that this is a great option, and I do think that a lot of people will like this versatility, because imagine this but curled. You know, I think that's so cute. I think it's just a nice length. And I just think the texture and the quality of Ali Grace hair is just really good in any case. And I just love a pre-made closure. I just think that they're nice and flat at the top, and they're just silky and beautiful. And I just love Ali Grace so much. So if you guys are interested in getting yourself this unit, then definitely go into my description box. I will have all the details that you need in there. I'll have the link to this hair, and then I'll also have a link to Ali Grace, because like I said, I've been getting my closures for them for such a long time, and I love their hair, especially their straight black hair. Amazing, amazing, you guys. So yeah, I will have those details in the description box, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.